Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to take out film from your analog vintage camera. First, you have to be sure that you shot all of the frames inside of that film, so you don't waste any, of course. And then, depending on your model, you might have to wind back the film. So here, I'm using a Voigtlander Vitomatic 2A to illustrate this. On the left hand side, I have this little knob that I can turn. This is what rolls back the film. And as you can hear, the film is moving backwards. So once I'm done with rolling the film back, you will find that until the film is on the take-up spool, as you will see in a few seconds, it's a little bit more difficult to turn this knob. And once the film is off the take-up spool, it's more easy. So once the rolling gets easy and you are sure that you rolled all the film back to your cartridge, then you can open the back plate. Of course, I didn't roll back the whole film right now, just for the illustration purpose, but you will see. So now that the film is here, as I mentioned before, it's much more easy to roll it back. And once you roll this back and opened up the back plate, you just take out the film, put your camera aside, take one of these little boxes and put your film inside of this, and you can take it to the photo lab to develop it. That's basically it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.